Tiri kuenderera mberi nequestion paper redu ZIMSEC Ordinary Level Mathematics June 1999 paper 1. Saka tapa number 19 iri kuti iyo evaluate part A 3 to the power 4 divided by 5 squared giving your answer as an exact decimal. Saka tiri pa part A panapa taudzwa kuti 3 to the power 4 iri divided by 5 squared. We need to know kuti 3 to the power 4 zvinorevei uye 3 to the power 4 ambori ani. Saka 3 to the power 4 is equal to 3 times 3 times 3 times 3. So 3 to the power 4 zvongoreva kuti 3 iri kuzvimultiply ka 4. But since 3 times 3 iri 9 and again 3 times 3 iri 9, zvoreva izvo kuti 3 to the power 4 yakafanana nekuti 9 times 9 which is equal to 81. Then 5 squared inenge equal to 5 times 5 which is equal to 25. Back to our question. Question yedu iri kuti 3 to the power 4 divided by 5 squared. So how do we solve this? 3 to the power 4 dividing 5 squared zvinoreva izvo kuti we have 3 to the power 4 over 5 squared. Then 3 to the power 4 over 5 squared, replacing 3 to the power 4 with 81, so it's 81 dividing 5 squared is 25. Tikadzokera question yedu yati iyo we should give our answer, giving your answer as an exact decimal. Kureva kuti we are obliged, required to divide 81 with 25. So what is 81 divided by 25? Tikati 25 into 25, this is 1. 25 into 81, we have 3, comma. Then latinde graph paper kwedu, we notice kuti 25 multiplying 3 times 5 is 15 to carry 1, 3 times 26 plus 1 is 7, so we have 75. Kureva kuti 25 inopinda 3 times into 81 and 25 multiplying 3 is 75. What then is our remainder? 81 subtracting 75, add 10 here, then add 1. Chat 11 minus 5, we are going to get 6. Kureva equal kuti its remainder 6. Then we add the placeholder. 25 into 60, it's 2. Then inopinda twice. 25 multiplying 2 iri 50. Kureva kuti our remainder is going to be 10. Add another placeholder. 25 into 100, it's going to be 4. Kureva kuti our answer is going to be 3,24, and this is an exact decimal. Kuva exact kwe-decimal yedu ndekwekuti we need not divide any further. Yangobuda yakanaka, yangobuda iri twasa. I'm going to do something which I do not usually do. I want to prove this answer. But before I do prove the answer, as an instructor and a tutor of mathematics, sometimes it is required that I prove my answers. You should know that this is not part of your solution. So I'm going to use a different color to indicate that it's not part of your solution. Songa tuye kunoku. I need to prove that 3,24 is it the correct answer. So maybe I will say proof. Saka pane premise yatoda kuestablisha before ta prove if our answer is correct. The premise is that isusu 81 divided by 25 is equal to 3,24. Ngatitore for example tikati isusu 6 dividing 3 equal to 2. Asi kana tikati 3 times 2, tikati 3 times 2 we get 6. Izvi zvinoreva kuti maybe let us do this. Takatarisa our division, we should understand the nomenclature of division. Achiti nomenclature tiri kureva mawords anoshandiswa kuidentifya ma-elements of division. Saka iyi answer yedu inenge ichinzi quotient. Answer yedu inonzi quotient. Then iri kudivhaidha ichi iri pasi ndio inenge ichinzi chi divisor, iri pamusoro ichinzi dividend. So this is the nomenclature. Ndo mawords acho aya anoidentifya ma-different numbers kana tichidivhaidha. So zvazviri kureva ndezvekuti if we take our divisor, we multiply it by the quotient, we are going to get the dividend. Our divisor multiplied by the quotient is the dividend. Saka tikashandisa the same property here, zvoreva kuti tikati 25 which is our divisor, tikaimultiply na 3.24 which is the quotient, tinofanira kuwana 81. And doing so should prove our answer. Ngatizviitei tione. 3.24 times 25. 0 is a placeholder. 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times 3 is 6. 5 times 4 is 20. To carry 2. 5 times 2 is 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry 1. Then 5 times 3 is 15 plus 1 is 16. Then we add. 0 plus 0 is 0. 8 plus 2 is 10. Carry 1. 36 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 is 11. Also carry 1. 6 plus 1 is 7 plus 1 is 8. Then we have how many decimal places? 1, 2. Whatever could counting from the furthest right. 1, 2. Our answer is 81. And as you can see, this is 81. This also is 81. We have proved our answer to be correct. Saka, we are going to be doing these exercises of proving our answers. And I'm very sure kuti ma-exercise aya achiita kuti mavideo edu akure. But I know kuti those who are really keen and those who love mathematics are going to appreciate the exercises we are going to be doing. Saka we are done with 19A. Let us go to 19B. 19B iri kuti log 45 base 3 minus log 5 base 3. So it's log 45 base 3 minus log 5 base 3. Saka we are going to be applying my laws of logarithms. If you do not understand them, you can comment in the comment section and I'll create a video explaining the laws of logarithms and also the laws of indices. But let us get to it. Zvatiri kuda kuita panapa ndeizvi. Toda kushandisa ma-laws of logarithms. Saka mutemo watoda kutanga tashandisa, maybe regai nditi law number 1. Ma-laws aya, they are not written in their chronological order. Kureva kuti hazvina basa kuti ilaw ipi, hakuna law inofanira kunzi ndiyo inofanira kutanga, iyi law yozotevera. Kuti law number 1 ndirikungozviitira kuti tizogona kurelata nema-laws aya as we apply them to our question. So law yatoda kuapply panapa ndeishi. If we have log b base a minus log c base a, this is equal to the log of b over c base a ndo yatoda kuapply, kureva kuti kana tichisubtracta malog edu, malog aya kana aine the same base, zvoreva kuti we are just going to be dividing b over c. Let us do it tione. So here becomes log 45 over 5 base 3. Can we further simplify this? I think we can. Shati 5 into 5 ndian ndi 1. What is 5 into 45? Ndi 9. 9, 18, 27, 36, 45. Saka ndi 9. Kureva kuti tava panapa tava na log 9 base 3. Tinomwe mutemo watichada kuita panapa. Tichamuti law number 2. Tichati isusu, if we have log of b squared base a, this is going to be equal to 2 log b over a. So zviri kureva ndezvekuti panoitika a transfer panapa. Pa 2 aka kari ku power of b kanouya kunoku yozova 2 log b base a. Sanga apply panapa tione. But before to apply kudaro, we need to write this log in such a way yekuti tinenge tana log to replace a 9 na 3 squared 3 zvateta nazvo. Saka ta replace a 9 na 3 squared because 3 squared is equals to 9. Then tika apply our second law according to this question or according to our solution. Tika apply our second law. This means that we now have 2 log 3 base 3. We also need to apply another law. We are going to call it law number 3. Law number 3 inoti iyo log a base a is equal to 1. Log a base a is equal to 1. Kureva kuti kana base ne this term or number irapapa zvakafanana, that log is going to be 1. Saka we can see panapa kuti we have log 3 base 3. Kureva kuti this is already 1. Saka we have a situation where 2 is multiplying 1. Our final answer is going to be equal to 2. So this concludes our question number 19. If you have any questions, be it questions regarding solution yatatoita ipapapa or amwe questions in mathematics, ordinary level mathematics, Simsek or Cambridge, amunoda kubatsirwa, you can post them in the comment section and I'm sure I will attend to them. Otherwise, take care.